Hello, my name's Ben, and I was going to show you how to reset your password using the Windows PEMD maintenance disk that you probably purchased from me on eBay or got somewhere else. Anyways, you can see here, I try to enter in the password, and I don't know what it is. The administrator account's enabled as well, and we don't know the password to it either. Um, so nevertheless, you're going to restart your computer and insert the disk. And if you have a Dell computer, press F12, boot from CD-ROM, or maybe go into your BIOS and set the boot priority so it boots from your DVD drive first. And once your computer is booted, it's going to give you a few seconds to select a choice, and then it's going to start the Windows pre-installation boot up process by itself. So just wait for it to start, and then you'll go into the maintenance environment here just in a few seconds. And you can see now it's going to get there. It may take up to 10 minutes for this to load if your computer is like a single core, but a dual core, quad core, i7, etc. only take about maybe 3 minutes. So as it's going in here, I might as well explain a few other things you can do. You can also recover deleted data. Say if you accidentally delete a file or somebody misbehaves and decides to erase like the last 10 years of notes, well, they're still on your hard drive. Every time you delete a file, Windows, all it does really is puts like an upside down E in the first letter of the file name, saying that that file can now be overwritten. Um, it's very easy to uh, I guess for say recover deleted files with this disk. And you can also say if you're doing forensic work and somebody's like, hey, I got a simple way to cover up everything I've been doing wrong, I'll hit F9 on my computer and factory restore it, and I'm good to go. Well, guess what? When you do that, all the files in the users directory, desktop, documents, etc., they're still on the hard drive, and you can do a partition recovery and gain access to those files right away. So, anyways, this is still starting up, and I'm just going to show you how to change the password. Okay, it looks like we're going. And it's starting as protocols. There's tons of stuff. You can remove viruses, a few different virus tools, figure out what the fastest DNS is, low level format the hard drive, or defrag the hard drive in a bare metal, like, or I should say, pedal to the metal. But, anyways, there's this icon with the key, active password changer. You just double click that, and we have two accounts, the administrator account and the People Repair PC local account on this Windows. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to search. I'm going to search Drive C, of course. And we found a username administrator, and then there's me. So this one, we're just going to clear the account. Yes. Finish. And I'm going to do the one for the administrator as well to show you that you can gain full access to the computer. Let me, my mouse is a little off here, so we'll go here. Bada bing, bada boom. Here. And the administrator password, we're going to clear the password. Yep. Yep. And that's all you have to do. Now I'm going to restart the computer, pause the video, and show you that this works great. Okay, you can see the machines starting up and going back into Windows 7. This works in Windows 10. It works in Windows 8. It'll also work in Windows XP, no problem. I've tested all of them. Now you can see that this account was disabled before and it reappeared. But I want to log in to the administrator account to show you that the password's been cleared. And as you can see, Windows doesn't hesitate at all. It lets me back into the system with the administrator account with full control of that system. Anyways, I'll probably release some more tutorials about this disk, but for now, that's how you reset the passwords.